Hi guys! Today we're going to learn how to back up your WhatsApp messages. First, open your WhatsApp app. Make sure you're on the main screen where you see all your chats and options. This is where we'll start the backup process. Next, tap the profile icon at the bottom right of your screen. This opens your account and app settings where you can manage chats, backups, and more. After opening your profile, scroll down until you see Chats, then tap it. This is where you'll find chat settings and backup options. Inside Chats, tap Chat Backup. This is the section where WhatsApp lets you create backups and manage storage in iCloud. Finally, tap the green Back Up Now button. Your WhatsApp messages will start backing up immediately. You can check iCloud later to see your backup safely stored there. And that's it. Your WhatsApp chats are now safely backed up to iCloud. It's a simple way to make sure you never lose important conversations. Don't forget to subscribe for more WhatsApp tips and comment below if you successfully backed up your chats.